Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change your PayPal shipping address in 2025. Whether you've just moved houses or need to update for an upcoming purchase, PayPal makes it straightforward with their latest updates. This step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. Open the PayPal website or app, enter your email and password, and click Log In. If you don't have two-factor authentication set up, it's a great idea to enable it for added security, especially in 2025 with all the new features. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click on your profile icon or the settings gear. From the drop-down menu, select Settings or Account Settings. This is where you'll manage your personal info. Next, look for the Addresses or Shipping Addresses section. It might be under a tab like Personal Information or Wallet. Click on that to see your saved addresses. Now, find the shipping address you want to change. Click Edit next to it, or if it's not there, hit Add Address to create a new one. Carefully enter your updated details: street, city, state, zip code, and country. Double-check everything to avoid any delivery delays. It's a simple step that can save you headaches later. After filling in the information, hit Save or Update. PayPal might prompt you to verify the changes, so follow any on-screen instructions, like confirming via email or phone. And that's it, you've successfully updated your shipping address. This change will apply to all future transactions, making your online shopping smoother. If you encounter any issues, like options not matching what I described, check for the latest 2025 updates in PayPal's Help Center. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.